Okay, so if like me, you're seeing all these amazing women online using drills, they're called drills, aren't they?
Yes.
Yes, drills. I am desperate to now learn how to use one because I don't know and I always need this guy to do everything for me. So if you want to learn how to use a drill, this is the video for you. Where do we start?
Alright, well there's lots of different types of drills.
Oh.
So I'm just going to start with a kind of common one that you can use for multiple applications.
Okay.
This might be the type of thing that you buy at Bunnings. So
Okay.
start with the drill and screwdriver.
Okay.
This is both.
Okay, so there are basically two things you need to know. You need to pre-drill your hole before you put your screw in, and then you put your screw in. Okay, let's show me how, please.
First thing to check is the mode on the top. Now, what mode is it? And why don't you describe what you see on top?
Okay, that looks like a hammer.
Yes, we'll come to that later.
That looks like a screw. No, or a nail. And that looks like a screw bit.
so
Switch
you
it
just
over.
grab it
Oh.
and slide it around.
Oh, that's got a little pointer on the top, guys. Alright, pre-drill setting.
Alright, now, what size drill bit should you use?
Depends on the size of the screw.
Alright. What would happen if we use this one?
I have no idea. What do you mean? Oh, do you have to adjust the size in here?
Exactly.
Haha. Oh, and it clicked in place. Is that good?
Yeah,
Is that good?
yeah,
So now do I...
yeah, drill a hole.
Okay. And why do we pre-drill?
Because it could be quite hard. You can do it without it depends on the wood, but you can screw in things directly, but you need a fair amount of force to do that.
Okay. I did it, you guys! And it creates these cute little wood shavings. Oh, which smell divine. Okay, how do I get it back out?
Screw again, but pull out. Oh, that came out. Okay, so alright. So now we
Drill the hole.
put this into the mode where it's a screwdriver.
Okay.
So what we have here is maybe hard to see, but it's a small Phillips head screwdriver bit.
Okay.
Oh, that's good. A couple of clicks makes it firm.
Couple of clicks. Okay.
Cool. One screw.
Okay, so this bit attaches to the screw.
And are we in screw mode
Oh.
or are we in drill mode?
No, we're in drill mode, screw mode. Picture of the screw. So that's screw mode?
Yep.
Alright. Into my hole
Yep.
and pressure.
You don't need a huge amount when you've already drilled it, so
Okay.
this should go in pretty easily.
Oh! Oh, all the way?
Yep.
Yes, I did. Oh, I screwed into the bench.
Well, succeeded then.
This is so much easier than I thought it was going to be once I learned how to use the tool. Oh my god, it's actually quite fun. There we go. That's how to use a, what's it called again? A drill. That's how to use a drill, ladies.